I'm Chef Paul Sturkey. Welcome to 6 at 6. Today I'm going to show you how to pull together an amazing, simple recipe using just 6 ingredients. Let's get started. So our dish today that we're going to be making is going to be a cornmeal cake. It's going to be topped with a meatless grind and a little bit of chipotle cream. 6 ingredients, here they are. 3 pepper onion blend, cornmeal log, some fresh cilantro, the meatless grind, chipotle peppers, and then also some heavy cream. So we're going to start off. Here is the base for the cornmeal cake. So you can buy it just like this. Don't be afraid of it. It's a great neutral base. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the skillet. Let that get warm. Take this cornmeal roll, cut it like that. Just be careful. Put your finger out a little bit there, your knuckle. You do want to pat them dry. Add a little bit of sea salt. What you want to do is get a nice brown on one side, and then we're going to flip them over and get a nice brown on the other side, and all that wonderful corn flavor is going to be coming up to the surface, which is really going to add to this dish. In a little bit, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and get this skillet going. Medium-high heat once again. I'm going to put a little more olive oil in there and add the plant-based meatless grind to it. It's okay if you're a carnivore. I am too. But some people are trying to cut a little bit of that out of their lifestyle. But I tell you what, chicken works well, ground turkey, smoked turkey. You can use ground beef, of course, and just use the same method. The key is you want this all to touch the skillet so that it gets nice and brown. Add a little bit of salt, a little pepper. We're gonna go ahead and add our pepper and onion blends. Look at all that beautiful color on there with all the 3 types of peppers and the onions against the brown meatless meat. All right, so we're gonna let this just rest for just a moment. All right, we're gonna flip them over. So we're gonna let that cook on this side for about 2 minutes. You wanna have a nice big platter. Use some color, have fun with this dish because it is a fun dish. So let's go ahead and plate these guys. And you can see, nice and crispy, and it's gonna make a nice base. Use the same skillet here to start our sauce. Heavy cream. Chipotle peppers are smoked jalapenos, and you just want to put them in here. It's going to add a nice smoky flavor to the sauce. I am going to add just a little salt. You can see this is already getting thick, and I'm going to go ahead and just give this a taste. One of the most important things during cooking is to kind of taste every element along the way so that you know when it all comes together that something's not too salty and it's too late to fix it. Oh, that's really nice. You get the smokiness is coming in, the salt level is going to be just right. What you want to look for, actually, is for that to coat the back of the spoon like that. See that? Coat the back of the spoon and you know it's going to cling on to these appetizers perfectly. So I have the meatless grind and the peppers. You can just put them right on here. It's okay if a little bit falls off. We're going to top these like that. You can see how it's clinging on. Really nice. The smell of this, the smokiness, is absolutely phenomenal. Finish off with the cilantro. Adds a great element to this. Fits into the southwestern feel with the chipotle peppers and the corn. All right, so there you have it. Cornmeal cake, chipotle cream, the meatless grind on top with some fresh cilantro. Thank you very much for joining me on 6 at 6. If you have any ideas for recipes that you would like for me to make and 6 ingredients that you submit, I'd be more than happy to give them a try. Enjoy.